Google can't stop leaking upcoming Google Pixel 9 series, and now everything is confirmed about the Pixel 9 Pro. We see the Pixel 9 Pro in porcelain/white with silver bezels. New leak reveals everything about the design and the internal parts. Google Pixel 9 series prototypes leaked revealing new designs. There have been leaks aplenty in recent weeks showing every angle of Google's Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL. Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Pixel 9 Pro power by 4,780 mAh battery. The NCC reports also reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series. A new 45W Google-branded charging brick has also been revealed. The company has announced a Made by Google hardware event for August 13th. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15. The Pixel 9 family and Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold could be the first to support Android's native satellite implementation. The rear camera module has been redesigned but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 Pro is also seen in a blue color, which will most likely be joined by more options. Pixel 9 will offer a 6.01-inch 120Hz OLED display compared to the 6.5-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL. Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup with some new AI features. New Google smartphone with Google Tensor G4 and lots of AI features. The phone will feature an octa-core processor with a power core clocked at 3.10 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz, with a Mali G715 GPU along with 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.